Okay, let's start creating our first Rails application. I'm going to use Cloud9 as my IDE. You can also choose Cloud9 in cloud9.io, and you should sign up and sign in and for creating a new workspace. And if you want to do your project locally, check out the description below. So let's get started on creating a new workspace. Click on the create a new workspace button and type your project name. I'm going to keep the project name as first project and my first experience in Rails. You can make this as a private or public, whatever you want, but if you're using a free account, you have access to use only one private account for your workspace. So I'll choose this as a public, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to choose here Rails, and then I'm going to create workspace. And if you are using Ruby on Rails locally on your computer, to create a project you should use the command called Rails new and your project name, like the first project. And if you are using cloud, you don't need not to do that, because while you're creating a workspace, it will be automatically created. So first thing that we are going to do after creating a project is to bundle install, and then install all the bundles. And secondly, we are going to run the project, and while clicking this link, it will goes to the URL, and here is your first Ruby on Rails application. Welcome, you are writing Ruby on Rails. That's good to watch. And now let me explain what's happening inside of this. When you when you type the command Rails new, it creates a new Rails named first project. It generates a number of files and folders like app, bin, config, etc. in your code editor or IDE. So if you click on the folder icon to see these files and folders, there are a lot of bunch of folders over there. It will be automatically generated and created for you. And basically the Rails new command is the starting point of every Rails project. And the second thing that we have done is bundle install. Here is it. When you type the bundle install command, it will install all the software packages in the gem file, like gem Rails, gem SQLite, gem SAS Rails, Agnifier, Coffee Rails, jQuery Rails, etc. These software packages are called basically gems, and in Node.js there is something called npm node package manager, but in Rails it is called as gem. Gem is just a software package.